Come here, boy. Guys, I already touched him. No. Red, he got platformed. I'm gonna juke him, guys. Everybody juke him. You can't ban me. Oh my god. I'm part of the purple gang now. Gorilla, do you dare me to touch him?
Don't do it. It'll kick you from the game.
Okay. Oh, hell. I did this 3 times, by the way, right? I touched him 3 times. Hey, John.
Yes!
Daisy. I told you he kicked. Bro, what? I told you he kicked.
He's over here.
What is that? Daisy. What the hell? Bugatti. Oh my god.
Over here. You're the only one that's.
The Skywalker is a monster and I'm scared of that.
Oh, I don't know what monster you're talking about. So where do we go, Cripple? Looks like he knows the way. Are you ready? Okay, let Purple lead the way. I think he knows the way. I like that for his mind. My camera.
It's the way the monster is
That's the wrong way.
See, that's why I'm telling you this is where the monster at.
What?
Bruh.
Again.
We got kicked. Everybody,
Where are you guys? Oh wait, you're just in the other lobby. Remember me? Remember I filmed a map, Alex?
I think there's a monster.
For Christmas. There is just one skin buddy. Someone fell text the toilet. Context SQT. I'm more Sigma than you know. I only edge it Ohio. I saw speed at you. Oh, yeah, for Christmas.
Ready, fast back.
Fred.
Go! Wave up! Go! Guys, go!
Even that thing in here can kill
Go!
It's not that way. Hi. Where are you going? You're just gonna lead you to the dead end. Oh my god! There's a dead body!
It's a dead body. Everybody almost told that, I think.
Burn out! Burn out!
That's a to a bad way.
Guys, by the way, it's a very fast entry.
Wait, where's the mods?
There's no mods.
bacteria trying to kill us. There's a bacteria trying to kill us. It's seriously called a bacteria.
Bacteria. It's called bacteria.
Yeah, it's called the bacteria.
Why is it called bacteria?
I don't know.
Run quick before the map resets. You know how it turns black? That's a map resetting because sometimes the monster gets glitched out of the map. Red!
Red! Guys, Red!
Go! Go!
I remember you.
Go!
You did not get kicked. You just left. Look, I found out how to do it. Look. Okay, go back. Go back.
You can just like fly up.
Alright, guys, I know where everything is. Follow me.
You do? Okay, bet.
I'm scared, I'm scared.
One of the party goers. If one of you guys see one of the party goers and you guys get on something, I'm just leaving you. Only. Okay, if you want to get on there, then get on. But don't keep going.
Why is it playing Dust Collector? That's scary. I hear something.
I know where number 2 is, or number 3. What's number 3?
I don't know.
See the? Wait, where the frick did the key go? The key's over here.
Oh.
Oh, I fell. Wait, the key's right here. Look, in here.
What's that?
Get the key in there. In there. Get the key. Touch it. Okay, follow me. Run! Run!
Go!
I told you guys not to run, but you should run. Okay, we're okay, you guys ready? You guys ready? Raise your hand if you're fast. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Purple, come up here. You have to be fast to do this, though. Okay. Purple, get up here. Oh, he died. You see the bench over there? You see that
Yeah,
bench? You gotta
yeah.
run as fast as you can. 3, 2, 1. Turn over here, quick! I know where we went in a circle or like an oval, but it's over here.
Oh.
Okay, he didn't get up. It's near this over here. Okay, it's now somewhere over here. It's different color. It's like I don't see anything at all, so I don't know. Dude, how much party goers earlier?
Luckily, he lost track of us.
Where is it? How big is it now? Oh, there. Yes, let's go. Found it. Okay, so this bench. So, oh yeah, it's right here. Quick. Look. We found it there. We found.
No! I fell through the map!